Yes, people. Just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. FlickNTalkTV. Today we're just watching, we're reacting on the aftermath videos of Jamaica, of Melissa, Hurricane Melissa, aftermath video in Jamaica, showing loads of damages that's happening in the country, all over different regions in Jamaica. Yes. Hey everyone, welcome back. FlickNTalkTV, where we bring you real reaction, real fruit. Family, this one hurts to watch. The aftermath of Hurricane Melissa has left Jamaica in chaos. No food, no clean water, homes destroyed, thousands of people struggling to survive. Today we're reacting to new footage showing the devastation across nearly every region of the island. So let's take a moment to see what's really happening on the ground and what we can do to help. Thank you. FlickNTalkTV.
Hey y'all, it's Naya in the grill. I'm just checking in. I wanted to show y'all what the grill is looking like. This is the Wednesday, the day right after Hurricane Melissa. These are the damages that I've seen thus far. I went up the beach road, I went up Non-Pro Road, and then I went certain ways down the West End Road. I just wanted to kind of show you guys what everything is looking like. I will say, based on what I've seen, and I haven't seen much, but based on what I've seen and heard from other people, I think Negril is one of the towns that may have had the least amount of damage, and that's saying a lot considering there are a lot of homes and businesses completely destroyed. I mean, things are just terrible for some people. Like, there are whole buildings that are just ran to the ground, and it's just so devastating because a lot of these people can't just call someone and have it fixed right back up. Like, you have to remember, Jamaica still is a developing country. We are completely out of power. We are out of water. We are out of cell service. Only limited places have Wi-Fi. I'm going to leave a resource if anybody wants to help out in my caption. Regardless of all the damages, I praise the Lord that we have limited casualties. I praise God that we even have homes to go back to, even if they need to be rebuilt. And this is certainly not to minimize the trauma and the things that we went through, but I just praise God that we even have something to go back to.
This is the one on the road.
Everywhere, really.
This is the one on the road.
Some heavy damage.
And as we can, yeah, I'll show them the road. But this is not a road again. This is not a road again still. This is a gully. Yeah. See that? Everybody coming now. Which one are we there now? Which one is Rocky Hill? I for send help to Rocky
Yes,
Hill.
this was going on the
This
ground.
road needs to get fixed ASAP. This is no longer a road. Not even a bike can travel on this road. Yeah. Alright. And then head back out to the main road. So that's that right here. We will continue on the road. Alright, this location. We're still in St. Elizabeth. Showcasing the real live aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. You've seen it here first. Yeah.
Station Road angle.
Watching this footage showing so much devastation, so much destruction in every part of the island. There's someone losing something. There's lives being lost. There are people needing various amenities, various necessities for life. Daily things that you need for life. Daily things that you need daily to keep you going. People don't have that. They don't even have a place to put their head, no roof to put their head, no place to lie. Wherever you're watching from, I hope you can see all this. So what can we do to help? Seeing footage of so many places destroyed, so many buildings, houses, everything destroyed, farms, livestock. This is really, there's really not a way to describe this. People queuing up trying to get what they can get. People surviving in every way. Survival of the fittest. That's what it's called. People are looting if they can. At this time, you can't really blame them. Everywhere, most of these things are going to be destroyed because everywhere is soaked with water. There's no electricity. There's no road. The government's doing their best to clear the road. Doing their best to bring back electricity one by one. From community to community. But this is something that's going to take years to complete. There's an island that's full of love, everywhere green. They're not the whole entire place is barren. The forest is just barren. There's no green leaves. The hurricane's taking everything down. Just look at this, man. Entire community is just destroyed. Some communities are still underwater or half underwater. People can't even go near their houses. There's crocodiles already swarming some of these places as well. And you can see family wading through muddy waters just to find possibly their daily bread or their stuff, whatever they could look for. It's heartbreaking. The supermarkets are empty. There's hardly any supermarket in most of the regions. Most of the supermarket now possibly is around Kingston or possibly Montego Bay. And part of Montego Bay as well is very much destroyed as well. Power lines are down. Roads blocked. So people are completely isolated in most of the regions. The rural part is completely isolated. So how are they going to get things to them? Loads of people has been sending stuff to them. So wherever you are, if you're watching this video from anywhere, I hope you could find them within yourself to help. Donate to the government donation page. The Jamaican government have a donation page. Donate to that page so they could use to repair the infrastructure. To repair the infrastructure of the country. To get down to people, to repair road, electricity, to be able to reach everyone. With the help of everyone, the government is more capable of doing as much as they can. If we help, if we do our bit by donating everything that we can, nothing is too small. $5, $10, $20. 50, 60, 100, however you could donate. You will shine a light in somebody's face. But this is beyond the storm. This is survival mode for Jamaica right now. Let you guys watch some of the video. Watch the video so you can see that this is not just a storm. Wherever you're watching from, if you're watching from Jamaica, if you're watching from any part of the world that you're watching from, if you're watching from United States, if you're watching from United Kingdom, if you're watching from Canada, if you're watching from Australia, if you're watching from Germany, Russia, wherever you're watching from, share this video. Share the video with family, friends, your colleagues, work colleagues. Educate other people for them to be able to help. This is time where people come together as one to help other people. Because at this moment, Jamaica is in need of everyone. Nothing is too small. Let's help the locals. Let's help the people. Let's help rebuild. Be a part of this. Let's give support to the government of the country, government of Jamaica. Let's give support to them so they'll be able to rebuild the country. The president is on the ground visiting people. The Jamaican Prime Minister are visiting locals. There will be a link to the donation page on my description. So should you want to donate something to the donation page, which the government opened for people to be able to donate, you could click on the link and it takes you straight to the government donation page. It's a verified page, and that is what the government set up for people to donate. And please use that page to donate directly to the country, not to individual. So the country could be rebuilt, the infrastructure could be rebuilt. The road, the electricity, the amenities that they need to sustain life. So all this will be restored in good time by donating to that page. Thank you wherever you are. Thank you wherever you're watching from. Thank you in advance. FlickNTalkTV. you're watching, please comment below. Let me know how you feel. Let's know how you feel about this. Let's know what you think. There's hardly any hospital. There's hardly any hospital. As you can see, the PM, Jamaican Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, has been going around and visiting the locals, visiting people as much as he can. There's little he could do. He can't do that much. How much can he do? How many places can he visit? Can he walk to? He's a human being like us. So support this man. Support the Prime Minister. Give support to Andrew Holness so that way he could delegate. He will have enough funds to delegate to people, to other community leaders, to other MPs, to be able to carry out this work and to monitor this work. With our support, with your support, things could get back to normal. Children could go to school. Sick people, sick children could be looked after. But right at this time, there will be loads of malaria, loads of yellow fever because of contaminated water. But at this moment now, there's loads of mosquitoes. And the sickness rate is going to be high very soon if it's not already. So please, do your bit and help. Help restore peace. Help restore health unto Jamaica. Help rebuild. So tomorrow you could look at yourself and say, yeah, I'm part of that. I'm part of that thing that rebuilt Jamaica. When you do something good, you achieve result. It does count for something. So help Andrew Holness, Mr. Andrew Holness, Dr. Andrew Holness, Jamaica Prime Minister, to rebuild Jamaica. Release something from your hand. Release something. Release that fund. Release donation.
As I'm seeing some of your transmission towers are done to telecommunications.
On my description, there will be a link. There will be a link for donation on my description page. Please use that link to donate directly for the country. So the government knows best how to restore everything that needs to be restored. Nothing could be achieved in one day. This will take years. So please, share this video so everyone could help. So find it in your heart, find it within yourself to help. Share it with your friends, share the video with friends, family, your colleagues at work. Share the video with them so people could come out and help. Educate other people so more and more people could help. Thank you, FlickNTalkTV.
Alright guys, so now I'm on the ground. This is the type of damage that we are looking at. The car is
people are crying for help. The saddest part, some of these areas still haven't received proper aid as yet.
Not standing anymore. It is a very, very sad situation in Jamaica right now, and I'm no roof. The foundation is completely
what we're witnessing isn't just property damage.
An entire bar right outside the
It's
hotel.
lives
And it was been
torn
ripped
apart.
Ceiling gone, walls gone.
Lives torn
The
apart.
bar barely
Everything
up.
torn apart. People's farm torn apart. Everything destroyed. From Montego Bay to Kingston. From rural parishes to small
Tossed
villages.
around and turned into
Everyone has
debris.
been touched
So this was somebody's
by this
roof,
disaster.
somebody's mattress, and now it's just debris.
People have lost their loved ones.
All these corridors flooded with water.
Loads of people have gone
People
missing.
just trying to make their way.
They've even shot in some swimming pools. But wherever you are, please share the video. Because right back they stand, there's food shortages. These food shortages are here. The water system are contaminated. There's no clean water. People have to be donating water for locals. What about the areas that people can't reach because of the road? There's no road to get to some cities. Families are lining up. Families are lining up. Lining up for hours just to get one bottle of water. Imagine having a baby, having a newborn baby, and to line up when the baby needs feeding.
Yeah, me
line
watch
up for hours just to get a bottle of water.
Yo, I will be fully insured.
So how they gonna carry these things? How is the mother gonna carry these things? Some of the mothers don't have their children. They don't have father for their children. Single parents. There's loads of single parents. So wherever you are, share this video. Please share the video. And the people are very strong. They're working hard to build back what they've lost. But it's not easy.
God Almighty.
The Jamaicans are strong.
Yeah, man.
And we know that, but right now, the people need real help, not promises, not cheap talk. They need humanitarian help. They're human beings like us. No one should have to suffer such catastrophes.
No, man, this is a real disaster, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up.
Anything anyone could have envisaged. So please,
Watch it door, watch it
this
door.
is where we all steps in. This is where humanity steps
I'm not
out.
thief. No thief now go on as no matter. It's a free things. Free things.
If you have skills,
Free things.
building, and you have time,
But God.
take a trip to Jamaica and help. Help people rebuild. Share your skills.
Yeah, turn back.
If you have time to spare, take a trip to Jamaica and help out. This country needs your help. They need every one of us
I don't
help.
loot this. A free things this man. Take credit blood clot from them.
FlickNTalkTV, thank you for listening. I hope this video you could share it. And I wish you could help to rebuild,
Fuck clot boy.
to bring Jamaica back to its glory. But wherever you're watching from, if you're in Jamaica, you're in US, Canada, UK, we all have a role to play. Even sharing awareness does help.
There's no more blood clot Black River. I want this to pick the bank, credit to them. But we left at the blue
So
sub
if
building.
you're watching this, please consider
Me no know.
helping.
Ports not good
however
again,
you can.
master. Tax office.
I have a link, verified donation page. This description. That's below. The link will be there. It's a Jamaican donation page. And that's controlled by Jamaican government.
Watch your side.
And That's the only link I would advise you use. So it goes straight directly to the country. Even though it's $5, it can make a difference for a family. Family that's gone days without clean water. You could put a smile in their face. Somewhere, some baby needs your help. Some infant needs your help. Children ain't going to school.
I mean, like China, them people have credit them good them.
So people need your help. Elderly people need your help. They find it hard to survive. There's no one for them. So please. So consider helping.
Yo, really?
If you can give, please give.
And you want to say,
share this video, share the awareness, and save some lives too. Awareness does save lives. Let me know your comments how this hurricane Melissa impacts you, your area, or loved ones. If you have someone in Jamaica, if you're in Jamaica, or if you live in Jamaica, let's stand together.
I want to go back to the before nobody else come on the bridge.
FlickNTalkTV. So we stand with Jamaica. For everyone hurting, keep faith, stay strong, and know the world is watching. And help is going to be coming. There will be loads of help coming.
They're lucky.
There will be more help
They
coming.
know them are loot. Illegal loot in this now.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Please like, comment, and subscribe to this
Serious crimes and
story, this video, and let this reach more people. Until next time, stay safe.
Everything gone. So you know,
Keep praying for Jamaica.
why you see the crowd in there? Because everybody just come out.
Donate. Hashtag
Watch your word, people. Watch
donate
your word,
for
people.
Jamaica. Donate to Jamaica.
Yes, people.
Bring back Jamaica.
Tap up the live people and share the live people. Please, I'm asking you. This is the Plantain Garden River. And we are in the community and the district of Bad St. Thomas, the Plantain Garden River. And we are also awaiting to see what the island river. Look, there are people. See the cars going, people. The guide post. Look, there are people. I told you it's going, people. The whole community is going to go, people. Look at it. Look what's happening now, people. Tap up the live people and share the live people. See, that's a car. It's leaving now, people. See there, people? See what's happening on the car. So, people, there's an opening now. There's an entrance for the community of Bad to be washed away. Because that's we are all in the first part of it. And now, as we stand here and we see what is happening, people, once that is removed, then it's heading straight into the community of Bad, Bottom Yard, St. Thomas. The shelter is now in danger. The shelter where the people are at Bad community is in danger because now the water is going to be overflowing over into the community where the shelter is. We have another shelter by the top. I hope the people will know after we removed from the shelter.
So came out to the streets of Montego Bay this morning just to kind of start to assess the damage. Oh, like but it's Irie. The good thing about Montego Bay, at least where I'm at, is not a flood zone. This is really the only street in Montego Bay, and I feel like I've walked around most of Montego Bay.
There's mobile swimming.
Street in here that is flooded.
The most part of Mobile Bay is worse than this. This is nothing.
You can't see the roof.
There's loads of videos circulating social medias.
This is a little farther down the road.
damages around Mobe as well.
Yesterday up there was so green. Green, luscious trees. This is Montego Bay. This is the street that I'm staying on. You know, everybody's outside. This is the path to the airport.
It's been a long, God, it's terrible. I've never seen it like this before. Long time coming. Everything mashed up. And my boat, I lose about 11 head of boat. Everything gone. You can't even name it. You have to go start all over again. Nothing.
Needs your help.
Not no more.
Listen to her cry. Listen to her cry.
Water
She
and food
needs
and
your
all
help.
and something. And get back some
Those
and
are
all
things
some
similar.
Those are things I support. And see if we can get back
Just like
to
so.
what's wall
Loads
will
of
be
people.
pushed around the walls. And the bed and the mattress, my new brand mattress. The zinc.
Says your whole life. Just within one day.
We still vex. We still vex with the people them when they in a resort them at Jamaica. We are complaining about them snacks. We still vex.
Funny people
I'll
talking about
normally hear
getting
from my family, you
they
know.
have hotels
We still
to
vex,
stay.
man. One going to take pain and live up out of them
People out there
before the storm
suffering,
come. I was down there complaining.
fighting for their lives. Babies
Yo,
fighting for their lives. People who tell people to go build
I hear from people. I hear from people which I'm grew up in.
actual disrespect.
And them I
people
say,
take cursed.
How
Just
much
little food.
horse wash away.
When these
And
people
in a
fast
resort
food
in
for a day or two,
in a nice room. I
they've been
complain about
eating all the
snacks.
while.
I said, beg to see, man.
the little snack is not enough when people die. The baby's not even getting some food. Baby's not getting anything to eat. Little kids ain't getting nothing to eat. They're starving. And some people in the hotel
The whole of me head top fuck off. The whole of me head
carrying
top
on some
fuck off.
violence against the
The
hotel
whole of me head
people.
top lick
This
off.
hotel taking so
Me
much
nah
time
no head
into
top.
act
Whole of
and
me-
give support. They didn't have to work. They could have gone home. They don't even know their loved ones survive. Their partner, their children, their parents. Their siblings, etc. We need to care for one another. We need to respect people. We need to care for one another and show love. So wherever you are, show love to Jamaica. One love. Show that one love to Jamaica.
We went searching for family members who we haven't heard from since Hurricane Melissa. All of them lost their house here in St. Elizabeth.
And restore Jamaica to its rightful glory. It's how you want it to be. How you see it when you go on holiday.
Puati St. Elizabeth after Hurricane Melissa.
Everywhere green. And no, there's no green. The trees have no leaves. The rain time. The bow. FlickNTalk TV. Thank you. Good night from United Kingdom. South East London.
Please, I'm talking her. Yeah. No, if we want people.
That's it. That's it. I road this side. Remember, I'm telling you, I want to road you.